Dear friends and guests, life sometimes seems unfair because we are not all born into the same circumstances. Do you want to know why some people are lucky, successful, and become rich, while others have difficulties in life? But here's the remarkable fact. The world becomes fair for those who dare to change their lives, regardless of their family origin. These successful people do life-changing things to improve their lives. Do you want to know and copy what they do? Take 10 minutes to watch this video until the end to find out. Throughout history, we've witnessed incredible stories of success that defy all odds. Many who began with humble beginnings and lacked formal education still managed to rise to great heights. What does this tell us? It's a reminder that regardless of our family's past or our current financial situation, hope gleams on the horizon for those who are willing to evolve and learn from the masters of change. In this video, we show you the most important traits you should acquire if you want to lead an extraordinary life. Watch the video until the end. It only takes you 10 minutes, but you will gain immense benefits throughout your life. Think about this. Countless individuals who once faced hardships made their names into the annals of accomplishment. They stand as living proof. By studying their paths, you can leapfrog over the barriers holding people back. Instead of merely complaining about life's inequities, grasp the power to transform. Seize the inspiration within their stories, let it fuel your journey, and watch as you surge ahead in a life of your own making. Here are a few stories of successful people for you. 1. Oprah Winfrey. Family wealth isn't the secret to this billionaire and media maven's unparalleled success. Now worth an estimated $2.5 billion, according to Forbes, Oprah Winfrey was born to a teenage single mother in Mississippi. In an interview with Barbara Walters, she talked about not having running water or electricity growing up. 2. Howard Schultz. Howard Schultz helped Starbucks become the company it is today. However, this successful businessman, who boasts a net worth of $3.9 billion, wasn't born into wealth. Schultz said his father became a broken man after working in many dead-end jobs that offered neither money nor respect. But this hardship seemed to motivate Schultz to become a success. 3. Ralph Lauren. Known for its polo shirts and high-end attire, the Ralph Lauren fashion brand is easily recognizable. But did you know that there was a time when the iconic fashion designer couldn't even afford new clothes? As a kid, I was always into clothes, but I didn't have the money to buy them, Lauren told fellow billionaire Oprah Winfrey in a 2002 interview. But he has created the famous Ralph Lauren fashion brand. That creation is now a world-famous fashion brand, and he has a personal net worth of $6.9 billion. Reasons for their success. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to thrive effortlessly while others struggle to find their footing? Are you ready to step up your game and unleash your full potential? Well, get ready because we're about to unveil the remarkable habits that smart individuals embrace to achieve extraordinary success and fulfillment. And the best part? These habits are within your reach too. Here's a sneak peek at what these superstars do differently. 1. Quest for knowledge, unwavering commitment to learning. A lifelong quest for knowledge is the hallmark of intelligent people. These bright minds display an unwavering commitment to learning. The conscious pursuit of intellectual growth not only enriches their own lives, but also helps them in a fiercely competitive world. Their willingness to always broaden their horizons allows them to overcome challenges with an informed perspective and innovative solutions. This approach ensures continued success, personal growth, and fulfillment. Is the hallmark of a truly intelligent person. They understand the importance of coordinating tasks and using their time efficiently. Recognizing effectiveness and skillfully managing time, this approach not only ensures optimal task completion, but also highlights their skill in planning wisely. 2. Decisions with insight reflect deep understanding and strategic thinking. Making decisions based on deep insight is the hallmark of smart people, especially in a rapidly evolving world. These sharp minds gather a wealth of information, carefully evaluate alternatives, and carefully weigh the pros and cons before drawing any conclusions. In this way, they confidently navigate life's dynamic situations and make decisions that reflect deep understanding and strategic thinking. 3. Innovative problem solvers, pioneering solution finders. Good intellectuals have the ability to transcend conventional boundaries and wholeheartedly embrace change. These bright minds display an innate ability to see problems from multiple perspectives and encourage creativity in finding solutions. Their unique approach to problem solving not only helps them to develop their skills, but also demonstrates their ability to adapt to changing circumstances, making them stand out as great thinkers. 4. Feedback seekers, embracing growth through feedback. Intelligent individuals possess the humility to acknowledge their imperfections. Rather than shying away, they proactively solicit feedback, utilizing it as a catalyst for personal development. By harnessing the insights gained from others' experiences, they gain a renewed outlook. This eagerness to learn fuels their evolution and propels them forward, showcasing their willingness to adapt and improve. This trait, inherent in smart individuals, underlines their commitment to continuous growth and their understanding of the power of collective wisdom. 5. Art of listening, mastery in attentive listening. In a world where many are eager to express, the most brilliant minds distinguish themselves by their exceptional listening skills. They grasp the profound truth and wisdom from absorbing others' perspectives and forging meaningful connections. These smart individuals prioritize understanding over speaking, recognizing the potential to glean insights and foster relationships through active listening. 6. Curiosity unleashed. Unleash the power of curiosity. Smart people dare to go beyond superficial understanding. They question assumptions and delve into the depth of the problem. The results in deep insight and reveals hidden perspectives. This curiosity-driven approach reflects their commitment to continuous growth and showcases talent for exploring uncharted territory. 7. Learning from mistakes, even from others. The wisdom to admit mistakes, even the mistakes of others. Learning from your own mistakes is smart, but it's also great to learn from the mistakes of others. Smart people progress by observing, avoiding pitfalls, and continuously improving. This approach demonstrates their deep understanding of using both personal and collective experiences to enhance their growth journey. 8. Financial wisdom, unleash financial prudence. Smart minds understand that financial stability requires a firm grasp of the fundamentals of financial management. They manage their budgets and investments wisely, making informed decisions that enhance their financial health. This ability demonstrates their commitment to securing their financial future through prudent choices. 9. Progress check, navigating progress. Consistent assessment of their journey helps intelligent individuals stay on track. They adjust and recalibrate their path whenever necessary, ensuring steady progress towards their aspirations. This approach not only showcases their wisdom, but also highlights their commitment to achieving desired destinations. 10. Generous sharing, nurturing generosity. Enlightened minds understand that withholding knowledge limits their potential. They impart their expertise selflessly, realizing that helping others contributes to overall growth and promotes personal growth. This selfless stance demonstrates their remarkable insight into the power of shared wisdom and its profound impact on individuals and communities. Conclusion: inspiring transformation. Whether you're a student, a professional, or an aspiring entrepreneur, these practices can ignite your potential and transform you into the best version of yourself. Remember, circumstances don't define your destiny. Even if you've started from a place of financial constraint or find yourself facing tough times now, don't lose hope. The remarkable habits of the wise are accessible to all. By immersing yourself in the practices that smart individuals adopt, you can swiftly ignite remarkable change. Whether it's your career or your entrepreneurial endeavors, the positive results are within reach. Your efforts will unveil a path to success you never thought possible. Believe in the potential you hold, for greatness is just around the corner. Thank you for joining us on this journey of growth. If you found value in this, don't hesitate to share, like, and subscribe. Let's continue striving together.